Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Using cough syrup to induce sleep is not recommended unless it's explicitly prescribed by a doctor for that purpose. Cough syrups contain ingredients like antihistamines, which can induce drowsiness, but relying on them for sleep can lead to dependency or mask underlying conditions causing sleeplessness. For a healthier alternative, consider adopting a relaxing bedtime routine or consulting a healthcare provider for sleep-related issues.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.